Okay, let's look at how we can able to use the calculator to solve it. We have already solved this one. You're using the distribution and bypassing the distribution. And then later on, we also look at how you can able to use the Desmo online calculator to solve. We have able to key in the equation and then we want to solve. So we're going to shift cut equal and equal. The answer is 5. Okay, so here to realize that now SAT online give you access to a Desmos graphing calculator. So for you to solve this kind of equation, all that you have to do, you're just going to split the equation, so 4 into bracket 6x plus 10, then you close the bracket. Then the other half of the equation, 8x 40, do it this way. So where they meet, the intersection will be the solution that you're looking for. So let's push this aside, then go the way where they meet. Try to get the intersection 580, and we're looking for the x, so the answer is 5, and that's how you can able to use it to solve our equation in SAT. Thank you. Please go ahead and subscribe. All right, we're supposed to solve this linear equation. I'm going to solve it as the American will solve it. American will use distributive. They will distribute the 4 over, and then I will also look at how Chinese people will solve it too. Okay, and then after that, they will combine like terms, bring this here and take this over there. So it becomes 24 x minus 8x, and then 40 plus 40, which becomes 16x, equals to 80. Divide both sides by 16, and they will get 5. Let's see how the Chinese will do it. See that 4 is divisible everywhere, so they will divide 4 here, 4 and 4. This will turn into 1, and here will give us 2, and here will give us 10. And then from here they will combine like terms. Take this here, take that there. So 6x minus 2x equals to 10 plus 10. 4x is equals to 20. Divide both sides by 4, and they will get the same answer. Alright, which of the method do you like?